Tandon, reading today's news related to UPSC exams. Before going into the news, I request you all to subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video.
Governance State Business Reform Action Plan 2020 Ease of Doing Business. Andhra Pradesh has topped the country in the latest Ease of Doing Business rankings. Ease of Doing Business is a joint initiative by the Department for Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade and the World Bank to improve the overall business environment in the states. These rankings represent the ease of doing business in the state with increased transparency, efficiency, and effectiveness of the government regulatory functions vis-a-vis the business enterprises. Nationally Determined Contributions Report. The report enhancing nationally determined contributions for food systems about climate change amid crisis is released by Worldwide Fund, United Nations Environment Programme, non-profit organization EAT, and think tank Climate Focus. It is released based on strengthening food systems in the age of climate crisis. It identified 16 ways to address the issue and put it forward in the public domain for policy makers to take action. Environment. Cystomus gracilis. Researchers from Kerala and West Bengal have identified Cystomus gracilis, a new species of freshwater fish from Ganga. The Science and Engineering Research Board, statutory body under the Department of Science and Technology, has funded this project. The fish, which is edible, has been christened Cystomus gracilis for its thin and compressed body. Gracilis means slim in Latin. The fish can be cultured in inland water bodies. Cystomus is a genus in the family Cyprinidae. Cystomus gracilis can be distinguished from other species of genus by its high and strongly compressed body, tiny barbels, and anal fin with 6 branched rays. The collected specimens were of 11 to 12 cm in length. The fish has also received Zoo Bank register number from the International Commission of Zoological Nomenclature. Society. Tribals of Odisha. The concept of labor cooperatives is still prevalent in almost all tribal communities, including the Dongiriya Khan, Juanga, Lanjia Sahura, Didai, Paudi Buyan, and Khan in Odisha. The Dongiriya Khan, a particularly vulnerable tribal group who live in the state's Niyamgiri hill range rising to 4,500 feet above sea level, practice at least 10 types of cooperative labor sharing within the community. In the Shahabati system, all Dongiriya households of the village work in turns for a day on the land of one villager. In a variation, under the Pundabati system, 10 to 15 members of the community are called upon when fewer workers are required in the fields. The Dasi Bati is a cooperative of younger unmarried girls from the village who are called upon to take up less strenuous but tedious work such as weeding, fencing of fields, cleaning or harvesting of crops. The Dengada Bati. Young bachelors are required to take up work such as felling trees, hoeing, carrying logs, and digging pits. Under the Tura Bati, older men help each other for a share of liquor. Art and culture. Pang Labsal. It is a festival of culture, heritage, and historical importance. Is one of the most historically and culturally significant festivals celebrated annually by Sikkim people. This festival is celebrated only in this state. It commemorates the blessing of Mount Kanchenjunga as the guardian deity of Sikkim. It is also observed for the swearing treaty of blood brotherhood between the Lecchaps and Bhutias at Karbi Longchok, Sikkim under the witness of Mount Kanchenjunga. The festival is celebrated at the end of monsoon, on the 15th day of the 7th lunar month in the Tibetan calendar, which puts it in between August and September. Miscellaneous. For the first time, Sudha Painuli, a vice principal of Eklavi Model Residential Schools established under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, has been selected for National Award to Teachers 2020.
Thank you for watching my video. Today's PPT is given in the description box. Hope you all enjoyed our channel. Once again I repeat, please subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my